Let's learn how to divide the number 153 by 9 using the long division method. 1 is less than 9, so we will consider the number 15. We know that 9 times 1 is equal to 9. Subtract, we get 6. Now again see that this 6 is less than 9. That is why we will bring down this 3 here. And we know that 9 times 7 is equal to 63. Subtract, we get 0. As we have no number to bring down here and got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 153 divided by 9 is equal to 17. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.